Hi everybody, this is Wendy Pollock with Pollock Properties, powered by Keller Williams Experience, and we are at one of my favorite new places in downtown Lemont. We're at Pollyanna Social, and Nick, the general manager, has joined us. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
We're really excited to have you in town.
I mean, yeah, it's been great. We opened early December, and it's been a great response, great feedback. People really seem to enjoy what we're doing, so it's so far so good.
So I'd be surprised if people do not know the Pollyanna Beer Brewing Company and how do we say that?
The brand.
Brand, thank you. That's exactly the word I was looking for. So this is a little different. So you have 4 locations. Walk us through those.
Yeah, so the original location is just, you can almost see it over here.
Yeah, exactly. Stone throw away.
Exactly. So it started about 8-9 years ago. That's still where all the beer production happens. We started as beer is what we do.
Yep.
Then a couple years later, we opened our Roselle location, which we also have a smaller brew system. We do some small batch stuff, some sours. We have this beautiful oak foeder up there to make some sour beer. And then a couple years after that, 3 years ago, we opened up our St. Charles location, and to kind of differentiate the experience, they decided to put a distillery in there.
Nice.
So fast forward to here, the concept for this place really came about to showcase the spirits that we're making in our St. Charles location.
That's awesome.
So, yeah,
and it's got such a great vibe.
Yeah.
I mean, you're the Pollyanna, and I've been to all of your restaurants. Just we get around to your breweries, I should say. With that being said, they all have a brewery kind of vibe, and this is really upscale. Bring a friend, or just kick back after work. Just a really cool, relaxed vibe.
Yeah, the whole concept was just some place where you could just come and feel really comfortable, kind of an upscale experience without any, snootiness or anything. It's very approachable.
Yeah.
But we just want to make an elevated cocktail. And you'll notice as you look through the menu, all the cocktails are built around the spirits that we make. So we only carry our vodka, our gin, etc. We do have some other local bourbons.
I'm not gonna lie, the menu is overwhelming.
It's a lot.
I actually said the menu was like if you've ever went to Cheesecake Factory, where you're like, no one needs this many
Right.
choices.
No.
No one
You're
needs
right.
this many choices.
Agreed.
But when the server came up, it was great because I was with a group of girlfriends, and we all really have different tastes. And I like my sweet to be my dessert, not my drink.
Yep.
So that was exactly what I said. And she was able to point me to. She's like, "Oh, this is a booze forward list," and so she really was able to categorize the list. So that's an awesome. Make sure you ask your server because it is
Absolutely.
so
yeah.
many to
We've been
try.
Very lucky. The crew we've gotten, kind of thrown into the fire, and just they're great. They're what makes everything work. And with the building of the menu, we all came up with it. We spent some time in St. Charles when we're closed on Mondays and just kind of played around with everything.
Tons of seating too.
Yeah.
Quaint, like if it's
Yeah.
just a couple, 2 people, or a big group of people. How about food? Do you serve any food?
So we don't. That's kind of something throughout all locations. Like our owners are like, we don't know anything about food. We'll leave
You're
it
just
to
going
them."
to stay in your lane.
We'll stay
I
in
love
our
that.
lane.
Can you bring food in?
Sure. Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, definitely. And there's so many great restaurants around here.
So you could order. You
You can order.
yeah.
You can bring something from home. We
Awesome.
do have
I
like
love
little snacks, like bags of pretzels and things. but
Okay.
Nothing
Yeah.
significant.
So what's your favorite drink?
I am really partial to we do an infusion with our 90 proof bourbon, our Inception 90 proof, and we use vanilla, black tea, and ginger. We let that actually sit right back there. We just put a little lime juice, a little more vanilla simple syrup, and put it on the rocks with a ginger peel. It's excellent.
It's top notch. Yeah. Yeah, I've tried quite a few and I've never been disappointed. So if you have not tried Pollyanna Social, I am highly, highly recommending you get down here. How about hours?
So yeah, we're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. We open up on Wednesday at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then noon to midnight on Saturday, noon to 7 p.m. on Sunday, and we'll stay open until midnight on Friday.
Nice. So please make sure if you haven't been here, give it a try. Take care, everyone.